Hi guys, today I'm going to make another Air Force One custom. This time I will use bleach and a knife with this pair. So it's going to be a dirty denim kind of custom by using bleach and a knife to make frays. So this is the pair, Denim Air Force Ones. As you can see, it's 2 tones of denim. Besides bleaching, I'm also gonna add some frays. I did it a little bit already on this pair by using a knife. And when I'm going to bleach this will get very light. And after it I will trash it a little bit more, which will give a very nice effect. I want to do different panels, so I'm gonna do this panel in a lighter color denim and this panel, and this will stay the same. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this, but we will see how it looks when this and this panel is bleached. I'm going to do that with thick bleach. I'm not going to apply the bleach with a spray bottle, but with brushes, so I can do the panels separately. For the bleaching you will need water, thick bleach, a knife, pair of denim sneakers, brushes and gloves. You don't have to prepare the shoe, you can start right away with applying the bleach with a brush. If you sweep from left to right with the brush a few times, the denim will bleach faster. As you can see, the denim is already getting lighter. Make sure that the bleach does not drip off your brush, so it won't fall on places you don't want it to be. If you are afraid that this might happen, you can cover the parts that you don't want to get bleach on with paper tape. So the next step is to fray and distress the edges of the denim a little bit by using a serrated knife. When the edges are frayed, you can apply bleach to make the frays pop out even more. To finish the shoe, I will add the Customs by BB logo on the heel. I'm going to use a vinyl stencil, transfer paper and Angel's Lava Orange leather paint for this. So thank you for watching to another video of how to make custom sneakers. If you have any questions, please comment below. Let me know what you think of this custom. And I see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe for more custom sneakers. Customs by BB.